So to start my assignment two, here is my Airtable. So majority of the companies that I did were the same as assignment one. And then I removed you and added a few that I found interesting. Um, so I did the designer, just a short description like about them. Similar to assignment one, I did the country and category just so it was easy to filter. And then I put their contact that was either I found from their LinkedIn or their website. And then I put their website, and then I just put a tab where I could tick off if I had contacted them or not. Then in terms of reaching out, I thought that it would be better to reach out on LinkedIn and I'd get a higher response rate. Haven't found that so far. I did send some emails and I've actually had a better response rate from the companies I emailed. So I might need to go back and email some of the companies that I messaged on LinkedIn. So in terms of the main brands slash companies that I want to focus on, so one was Reframed. This is a bed frame company from Copenhagen, Denmark. So I mainly wanted to explore them as they were a company that really want to be accessible to all consumers. So that's either easy to ship, assemble. They said on their website that they think that a lot of furniture companies currently don't have a lot of connection to the real world and their consumers. So I think it's cool that they really want to emphasize like the consumer benefits. They're also quite sustainably focused. And there's Contour 3D. So this is a Sydney-based construction company. So it uses contour crafting, which is very much 3D printing of buildings using like a layer by layer approach. So they've built a 3D printed amenities block in Dubbo. And then they also built a pool cabana in the block, which I thought was really cool. So it's more like time efficient, has lower costs, and yeah, it's just be able to, and sorry, less labor intensive. Then I've chosen Ignata. So that's it. They're a sustainable activewear brand. I just really like their ethos and I kind of want to explore their brand mission and like their how they approach becoming a more sustainable industry within the fashion world, as the fashion world kind of mainly uses like synthetic fibers and they really want to try and move more towards natural fibers. And Transparent. So their mission is becoming the first circular tech brand. They're a Swedish company. So their main ethos is to create products that can be repaired and upgraded over time. And so that kind of mitigates people throwing out their products, like their electronics, when either they like a part of them breaks or if their living conditions change. And lastly, I've got Sunjaya Design. So they're an Indonesian company that makes chairs out of plastic bags that have been rescued from Indonesia's rivers. So this is a company called Sungai Watch, which collects plastic bags from the Indonesia's rivers. And by making these chairs from those plastic bags, they're then able to fund Sungai's Watch to then continue to clean up Indonesia's rivers. Here's my references, and thank you for watching.